Welcome to the Ethereal Season 0 tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to swap Ethereum to USD tokens and how to deposit our USD in Season 0 of the Ethereal campaign. First of all, go to the Ethereal website and connect your EVM wallet. After that, we need to get USD. You can use any decentralized exchange you like. We will use Uniswap from the guide. Copy the contract address of the token and go to the Uniswap website. Here, connect your wallet by clicking the Connect button and choose USD by entering its contract address. Then, enter how much Ethereum you want to spend. Initiate the transaction and wait for it to be approved on the blockchain. When it's done, go back to the Ethereal website. On the pre-depositing page, enter the amount of USD that you would like to deposit. Then, approve the pre-deposit by clicking on the corresponding button and sign the transaction in your wallet. After a successful transaction, you will be able to share your referral link and claim a unique role in the Ethereal Discord server.